Hmm.
Okay, good morning, Rajul. So, welcome to your mock interview. So, let's start. Okay, tell me about yourself.
So my name is Rajil Fincy, and I'm a PG graduate in AI and machine learning with a strong background in data analysis and machine learning techniques. So my work has centered on using Python, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn to build predictive models and perform sentiment analysis. It was a hands-on experience working at Infosys as an operations executive, using data to optimize processes that further hone my analytical and problem-solving skills. Applying data to derive meaningful insight and interpretation is an absolute area of interest. That's why the role at Deeper Insights genuinely excites me as it perfectly aligns with my areas of expertise in AI and machine learning.
Okay, so why are you interested in working at deeper insights?
Okay, I'm particularly interested in Deeper Insights because of the novelty of solving complex problems with AI. That is something I like about the company. It tries to apply modern machine learning techniques to provide business solutions. And I'm further impressed with the different industries you serve, like from health to finance, since I believe this will allow me to apply my technical expertise in various domains, which is a key part of my long term career goals.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so can you describe a challenging project you worked on, or like on and how you handle that kind of projects?
Sure. So, back at when I was in Infosys, I took on a machine learning project where the project was predicting customer churn. So there we used a faulty data set where data cleaning was the major challenge. Like this processing was done using Python and Pandas, filling in the gaps via imputation techniques. Then different machine learning models like random forest and XGBoost were tried out to see which model gave the best results in terms of accuracy. By iterating on the hyperparameter tuning, the model
Mhm.
results could be further improved by 15%. This project taught me the importance of data cleaning and persistence in model optimization.
Okay, I see. So that's nice. That's nice. How do you approach working with the large data sets? Let's say that might be incomplete or unstructured data sets. What's your approach to those?
So to begin with, I start with EDA to understand the structure of the dataset, to find out the missing values, the outliers, and the inconsistencies in the dataset. In cases of incomplete data, I try various imputation techniques like mean, median for numerical features and mode for categorical features. For structured data, specifically text data, I perform tokenization and stemming and sometimes use pre-trained models for sentiment analysis. My experience with libraries like Pandas, NLTK has been instrumental in handling such data sets efficiently.
Okay, that's nice. I really like your way of approach to these kinds of projects. Okay, moving on to the next question. So, what is your experience with machine learning algorithms?
So currently, I have ex- extensive experience with supervised learning algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, and for random forest. And in case of unsupervised learning algorithms, I know everything about K-means clustering. So I have also have experience with neural networks, deep learning techniques, and frameworks like TensorFlow. For example, in one of my projects, I used a neural network for image classification and quickly reached a high accuracy by tuning its hyperparameters. I can say like I'm comfortable with the process of building and deploying models in real world settings.
Okay. So how do you stay updated in this latest trends and then advancement in the data science?
So basically, I follow the industry bloggings, online forums, webinars, and the conferences related AI and data science. These are all part of my activities that I regularly follow. Other activities may include like engaging on platforms such as Kaggle, where I participate in coding competitions. This helps me to enhance my skills and learn about new tools and techniques. So I also subscribe to journals like the IEEE Transactions on Neural Networks and Learning Systems to stay with current with university researchers.
Okay. Um, I have like a few more questions left. So, how do you prioritize tasks like when working on multiple projects with tight deadlines? How's your approach on that?
Well, I prioritize the tasks based on their level of urgency. Like if a project is demanding a certain things to be done at the earliest as soon as possible, I will prioritize that. So specifically, I break down each project into smaller and manageable tasks by setting deadlines for each milestone. Then I use tools like Trello to keep me updated on my progress. If several projects had competing deadlines, I would address those tasks that need the most immediate attention, considering communication is very important in keeping teams and stakeholders on the same page regarding priorities.
Okay, okay. So, coming to the last question of your mock interview, how, I mean, can you explain a time when you analyze, when your analysis or model impacted a decision, business decision?
Yeah, sure. Recently, I built a predictive model that forecasted customers' demand for product line using their historical sales data and then applied the time series forecasting model.
Hmm?
The marketing team used the forecasted trends to adjust their promotional strategy, which led to a 10% increment in sales during their targeted period. The second proves that taking decisions based on data and analytics does prove to be beneficial.
Okay, so by that, this will be your end of our mock interview. Let's hope for the best. See you on the next time. Thank you, Rachel.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.